I'm Chef Elham, and welcome to another video of how to make easy and somewhat inexpensive appetizers to either have at your party or to take as a potluck. So today we're going to do melon and prosciutto, which is a favorite of many people. And I have, look, these are all the ingredients I have. I have prosciutto, I have melon. That easy. But I wanted to show you how to cut the cantaloupe. So first I cut it in half like this, and then just take a spoon and scoop out the seeds. One time I was at the store and I couldn't find cantaloupe, so I actually did it with grilled peaches, or was it nectarines? I don't remember, but either one. It was so delicious. I guess you can do it with grilled cantaloupes as well. All right, the way I like to cut it, everybody has their own way. The way I like to cut a round fruit is I kind of cut the bottom. That gives me a flat surface to work with. And then I take my knife and just kind of go around and take off the peel. All right, now you can just wrap the prosciutto around it like this, but this is usually how it's done, and I like to do things a little bit different. So what I do is, here's my prosciutto. So here, me and skewers. You guys know I love skewers. So I'm going to just tear a piece and just kind of haphazardly fold it. Doesn't need to have a specific shape, but I kind of, when you do it like this, I kind of like the texture of, you can even bring it up higher a little bit, I like the texture of the prosciutto next to the soft, smooth texture of the melon. So this by itself is interesting, but you add this and all of a sudden, keep dropping things. All of a sudden, this is gourmet. I'm gonna do a couple more. Again, I just tear it. It can be as big a piece or as little a piece as you want. Don't make it so little that it's not visible. And another piece. You can display them on your platter like this, or you can just lay them down, especially if it's an hors d'oeuvre that's going to be passed around. It's better to just have them laying down because they tend to fall anyway. And I could say this was a first course for a sit-down dinner that you were having. And this is going to be just presented to each guest as their first course. So the way I would, I'll push this aside, get these out of your way. So the way I would present it, and it's just one way. There's plenty of different ways to get creative and do this. I had some leaves here. You could do microgreens. Microgreens are my go-to because they're pretty easy. So I just grab these leaves from a bag of spring mix salad. So you can either put it right on the plate. Green looks really pretty too. Or you can just decorate the plate. This is a little too long, let's cut it. You can decorate the plate and then just put these like this. This one doesn't want to stand, so I'm going to just make it, cut a little bit off so it's more flat and it doesn't give me any problems. See? It's still giving me problems. Okay, seriously, this piece is making me angry. So I'm gonna use another piece. There we go. That's what I'm gonna do. Let's see if this one works better. There we go. And you can present it like this for a first course. This is Chef Elham. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait for you to try these and send me a comment and let me know how it goes. Or I'm always open to ideas for different ways of doing something like this, maybe different ingredients that you use. Again, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.